Inverse variation. Y varies inversely with x is one way to say this. The other is y is inversely proportional to x. And what it means is y equals k over x. So notice k is still in the numerator. K is always in the numerator. And it just means that you divide k by x instead of multiplying k by x. So anytime you see inversely, the stuff following the inversely goes in the denominator. But remember, k stays in the numerator. So these can be combined. What am I referring to? Well, this and the previous video used to be on the same page. So the directly or jointly can be combined with inverse variation. So for example, y varies directly with x squared and z cubed, and inversely with w and square root of t. What does it mean? Y equals k, don't forget the k. Y equals k times x squared times z cubed over w times square root of t. It's that simple. Okay, so look at that for a while, make sure you understand that one. So let's do an example of direct variation, a problem, a simple one. If y equals 5 when x is 2, what is y? Oh, it said, first of all, sorry. Y varies directly with x. That's the formula. If y equals 5 when x equals 2, what is y when x equals 3? Typical problem. So first you write down the formula without plugging any numbers in. That's key. If you don't do that, you'll get lost. Y equals kx. Now you plug in the first set of information, and that's used to find k, the value of k. So y is 5 when k is 2. Solve for k, just cross multiply the excuse me, cross multiply the 2 and you get 5 halves. So now rewrite the equation, go back up here, from here, go back up here, rewrite the equation without the numbers plugged in. So x and y are unknowns again. K is a constant, so it's always the same. So you write in the constant and just put it next to this one. So you kind of do it in a column like this and another column here. Now what they'll do is they'll give you other information. You know k, so they'll give you either a value for x or a value for y and ask you to solve for the other one. So they gave you 3 for x and they want to know what is y. So you just put in 3 for x and you get 15 halves. Okay, that's it. It's that simple.